What if the law isn't as objective as we think? A radical question posed by a group of legal scholars in the early 20th century during a time of social upheaval and economic transformation following World War I. This group, known as the legal realists, dared to challenge the traditional formalistic approach to law that was prevalent at the time. Leading these intellectual rebels were figures such as Oliver Wendell Holmes, Jr., Jerome Frank, and Carl Llewellyn. Their pioneering works questioned the idea that legal decisions could be entirely based on objective rules, without considering the social context in which they are made. Realist law theory, as their school of thought came to be known, shifted the focus from abstract legal principles to the actual functioning of the legal system. Realists argued that to truly understand the law, one must study how it is applied in practice, not just what is written in legal texts. But they didn't stop there. Realists also expressed skepticism about formalism in law, asserting that judicial decisions are not just the result of detached logical reasoning. Instead, they argued, decisions are influenced by subjective factors: a judge's background, personal beliefs, and the social context of the case. Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, Jr., for instance, introduced the bad man theory. He suggested that judges base their decisions on predictions of how a bad man would act, rather than on abstract legal principles. Jerome Frank, on the other hand, emphasized the psychological factors in judicial decision-making, arguing that judges are influenced by their personal experiences and subjective perspectives. Realist law theory also acknowledged the role of broader social, economic, and political forces in shaping legal rules and decisions. It recognized that the law does not exist in a vacuum but is deeply intertwined with the society in which it operates. Over the years, the influence of realist law theory has extended beyond the realm of legal theory. It has inspired the development of empirical legal studies, which use quantitative analysis and research methods to study legal phenomena. Contemporary legal scholars continue to draw on realist insights, incorporating empirical approaches to study legal institutions, decision-making processes, and the impact of laws on society. Realist critiques have also informed movements such as critical legal studies and feminist jurisprudence, which challenge the objectivity of legal reasoning and question the neutrality of legal institutions. Behavioral law and economics, another field influenced by realist perspectives, incorporates insights from psychology and economics to study how individuals actually make legal decisions and how legal rules affect behavior. In conclusion, realist law theory, with its emphasis on the empirical study of law in action, has left an enduring impact on legal scholarship, forever changing how we view and understand the law. It reminds us that the law, like the society it serves, is a complex, dynamic entity shaped not just by lofty principles but also by the messy realities of human life.